Did you know that allergies are among the most common chronic conditions worldwide? But there's more to allergies than just sneezing and itchy eyes. For instance, some people are allergic to water. It's called aquagenic urticaria. And even a small splash can cause hives. And then there's the sun. That's right, solar urticaria is an allergy to sunlight causing itching and redness. Ever heard of a meat allergy caused by a tick bite? The Lone Star tick can trigger an allergy to red meat in some people. Even exercise can be a culprit. Exercise-induced anaphylaxis can cause severe allergic reactions during physical activity. Lastly, some people are allergic to the cold. Cold urticaria can lead to swelling and hives when the skin is exposed to cold temperatures. Allergies can be strange and surprising. Stay informed and stay safe.